Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. So today's video is a very powerful hair growth oil which contains an ingredient that possesses many magical benefits for the hair, and this ingredient is moringa. So guys, we first start by making this oil, adding the first ingredient, which is black seeds. Now black seeds are so potent they are actually considered an essential oil. We have used black seeds so many times. We have many videos on black seeds and it is amazing for regrowing the front of your hair. It is super effective in growing thinning areas on the scalp. Guys, this was a must-have in this oil. The second ingredient we are adding is the super popular hair growth booster, which is cloves. Guys, we have many videos on cloves. This has done amazing for our hair. Cloves are known to contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that often add to the growth and the strength of the hair. It is a well-known hair growth booster which strengthens the hair and prevents hair fall. You guys should check out our recent videos on cloves if you'd like to know more. The black seeds and cloves now need to be blended or crushed for faster infusion into the oil. This allows for a more potent hair growth oil. Now that we have our blended black seeds and cloves, we are now ready to add the other ingredients to make this the perfect hair growth oil. The third ingredient we'll be adding to this oil is the main star of the show, and that is moringa. Moringa's main benefit is it helps to develop hair cells. It is rich in amino acids, which are building blocks of cells. This therefore helps to rejuvenate the hair and it reduces alopecia. The last but not least ingredient we'll be adding today is dried rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves promote nerve growth in the scalp, thereby restoring hair in areas it was lacking. It improves the overall blood circulation on the scalp, which as a result prevents hair follicles from being starved of blood supply and dying off, leading to hair loss. Now guys, we are ready to add our oils and we will be adding 4 major carrier oils today. The first oil we'll be adding is extra virgin olive oil. This is a lightweight moisturizing oil that conditions the hair. It stimulates hair growth by reducing the buildup of sebum. Second carrier oil we'll be adding is almond oil. Almond oil reduces hair loss by strengthening the hair, and it also contains lubricating properties which makes the hair less prone to breakage. The third carrier oil we'll be adding is Jamaican black castor oil. Now this is a very popular oil. It is a heavy oil that nourishes the scalp and strengthens the hair. It reduces split ends, it treats dandruff, and it conditions the hair. The omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids in Jamaican black castor oil help improve the blood flow to the scalp, which in turn encourages new hair growth. Now the last carrier oil we are adding is an oil so dear to our hearts. We love it so much, and this is fenugreek oil. Guys, this was an oil that we already made. If you do not have fenugreek oil, you can always use avocado oil or coconut oil. Now, fenugreek oil is simply made of fenugreek seeds mixed with a carrier oil of your choice and stored for days. It is a well-known hair growth booster. It contains thickening properties. Fenugreek oil contains large amounts of lecithin, which hydrates the hair and strengthens the roots or hair follicles. The seeds in fenugreek also help in moisturizing the hair and bringing back the luster and bounce. Once the oils are all in, now we can double boil the oil to ensure it is fully infused with all of these powerful ingredients. Moringa activates the dormant hair follicles, thereby enhancing the hair growth on the bald areas. In addition to that, moringa nourishes your hair follicles and strengthens your hair strands. The main reason why moringa helps improve your hair growth is because of its ingredients. It has a rich quantity of zinc, of omega-3, of vitamin A, of iron, which are all essential for hair growth. After double boiling the oil for 20 minutes, you can now leave it to cool down before you start to strain. We'll be straining this today with a wig cap, but you could actually use a cheesecloth. This hair growth oil has grown our edges like weeds. We have been using it on our edges. We typically use it at least 2 to 3 times a week, and it's super potent and powerful due to all of the strong ingredients within it. All you need to do is just massage it onto your scalp at least 2 to 3 times a week. Hair growth oil is powerful, especially because it targets hair fall. It specifically targets thinning areas on your scalp, balding areas on your scalp. If your edges are balding, if the back of your hair, the nape of your neck is balding, this is an amazing oil to try. All you need to do is just massage it onto that scalp. It also reduces dandruff, it reduces itchiness. It really helps with premature graying due to the moringa within it. It helps with weak and brittle hair. It also helps with dry hair and hair breakage. Guys, this oil is just amazing. We are in love. So guys, we hope you like this moringa hair oil that we made from some of our most powerful natural ingredients. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button below and comment what you actually liked about it. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.